I had spent years and years and years telling myself that everybody else needed to say their piece, but mine, there's no space for that. They need to speak first. Once everybody else is taken care of, then there's room for me. I'm sure you can imagine what that would have done to the way that I speak to myself, telling me that I needed to be quiet, that I needed to be small, that I needed to just keep myself under wraps because everybody else needed to shine.
Each of us are leaders in our own lives, but we're constantly waiting for someone else to tell us we're good enough, to show us the next step, and to claim our strength for us. This constant seeking is leading to mass amounts of burnout, fatigue, and emotional breakdown.
Every single one of us here have a message, and every single one of us here have the ability to be an empowered leader, to help others rise. And you know how? Do you want to know how? I'll give you a little secret. It starts here. This is how you connect into yourself. Because if you are embodied in your best self, your true self, your authentic self, this is how you help others rise.
My name is Deanna Deacon, and this is what I'm here to do on this planet. To inspire leaders to see their own brilliance, to empower them to take inspired action, and to educate them on creating sustainable, long-term success and prosperity in order to better serve all of humanity.
Not just a leader, not just someone who dictates or someone who tells you what you're supposed to do, not just your boss. An empowered leader. Someone who is so embodied in themselves, in their physical being, in the way that they think, in the way that they feel in their body. Someone who is so embodied within this that they have no other choice but to help those around them rise. Because when we know our truth, when we know who we are, when we're taking care of ourselves first, when we're playing in the field and dancing and having a good time and enjoying life, this is when we have no other choice but to help others rise. This, to me, is an empowered leader.
The world's most influential leaders did not get there by shying away from their truths or trading in their souls for a 7-figure income. They got there by becoming an expert in balancing their own lives. Because leadership begins within.